how to fix slow upload speed on Windows 11. So if you want to fix your slow upload speed on your Windows 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your run command. So right click on your Windows and then you'll find the run option. Click on run, and here you need to enter a command which is ipconfig space /flush DNS. Once you have entered, just click OK and it will flush your DNS. It means it will remove or delete any DNS if your system has any cache. Once you've done that, you just need simply click on the start button again and search for the control panel. Once you've searched, click on the control panel. And here you just need simply go with the view by, which will be in the top right, and make sure that you've selected large icons. Then you need to go with network and sharing center. Once you're here, you just need simply go with change adapter settings, which will be on the left side. And then you will have your network adapters. I only have 3 of them. So I'll just simply go with the network adapter that I'm using, which is my Wi-Fi. Right click on it and then you will have an option of properties. You need to click on properties. And once you click on properties, you need to go with Internet Protocol version 4 and then go with the properties again. Now here you have to scroll down and then click on use the following DNS server address, which will be on the bottom. And here you need to enter 8.8.8.8, and then on the bottom you need to go with 8.8.4.4. Once you enter this, just simply click on OK and click on close, and you've successfully boosted your network speed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.